it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking for a great set of notebooks, I highly recommend checking these out. They have been perfect for me.
This 4-pack of notebooks is by EOOUT, and I love them because they're the perfect size. They have a nice spiral and then a great little band that goes over to keep them closed. They're plain, so you can certainly show your own personality by putting stickers on them, like I love to, but I think that the pretty pastel color is really, really nice. I love the lined paper, and it also has a little space for a date and the page number if you want to add that up top. So, whatever you're using these for, whether it's for work or for school, as a journal, just jotting down notes, whatever, I think that these are really nice quality notebooks. The spiral is fantastic. It's super easy to open the notebook to be able to write on it. I have not found that the pages get stuck in the spiral at all, which is an issue that I've had a lot with spiral notebooks before. The hardcover is perfect to be able to write just with the notebook itself. All in all, I just think that this is a really solid set and I absolutely love them.
I've been really, really happy with these notebooks, and I think when I fill these four up, I'm definitely going to get another set because they have just been absolutely perfect. I recommend checking them out if you're looking for a similar notebook style and size. I think you're going to be really happy with them, but that's just my point of view.